Phrygian. It's getting dark and heavy now. Example 1 features an 8th note based groove and goes into some octave jumps in the end, but really stresses that flat 9 and the flat 3rd. Here we go. You can either use the open string. Example 3, also basically 8th notes, but does have an 8th rest as well as a quarter note as part of its groove idea, which puts stops into the movement and creates suspension and a little bit more drama, and then adds 16th notes in the end, in the 4th measure, and then really creating excitement there. And example 5 has a lot of octave jumps in it. Very dramatic groove, very driving. So because of the tempo, you may want to bar those 7ths there. Example 5. So you might want to bar that 7th there. So far, everything in one position. Create your own lines using Phrygian.